Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 19th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, on the US dollar yen, I mean, yesterday I was talking about how it's probably going to go up and take out these highs, and it looks like that's what it's trying to do. Now, we are definitely in a downtrend on the very high time phase. Obviously, the daily turned up, but the higher time phase are definitely down. So, we kind of had to look at this move up as a possible A, B, C correction for sure. So, that means that if it goes up and takes this high, then goes down and breaks structure, that definitely will turn me into a seller. The other option for me is it goes up and takes out this high and then does like a double top up there and then breaks structure up there, that definitely would turn me into a seller also. So I'm definitely keeping a very close eye out for like a break to the downside to get me back on the sell side. If you are trading like the 1 hour time frame and below, I would definitely still be recommending logs. I mean, it could possibly, go up and take out this high and maybe even a little bit higher. So we definitely want to stay on the long side if you are a short time frame trader, at least until we see a break to the downside, either after taking out this high or maybe after taking out this high. So as always, definitely keep an eye on your structure levels because most of the time that will keep you trading in the right direction. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.